The causative agent of Varroosis is the mite Varroa destructor. As a mandatory parasite in honeybee colonies, diagnostics refers not only to determining the presence, but also to assessing the degree of invasion of honeybee colonies. The report of suspected Varroosis to an authorized veterinary organization in the area where the apiary is located is done in case of clinically visible characteristic signs of the disease. Also in case when suspected ineffectiveness of applied veterinary medicinal product or other used acaricide after the treatment of bee colonies against Varroosis, which must be done according to the applicable national legal regulations. Control measures include biotechnological methods and the use of authorized veterinary medicines, which also include organic acids as active substances. Biotechnological methods of control are related to the particularities of the biology of bees as hosts and parasites, and are usually carried out in spring and summer. They include cutting out the drone brood and inserting the builder frames, sacrificing covered brood, sprinkling with powdered sugar, isolating the queen, artificially swarming honeybee colonies, and selecting colonies more resistant to Varroa destructor. The emphasis is on the necessity of systematic and simultaneous treatment of honeybee colonies against Varroosis in the summer period after the extraction of honey from main honey pastures. Staying at the apiary provides veterinarians with an excellent opportunity to advise beekeepers on the timeliness, duration of treatment, methods of medicine administration, and doses of individually approved medicines and other acaricides. Strategies related to the development and sustainability of beekeeping emphasize the necessity of risk-free production of honeybee products. And since the hive does not have metabolism, the quality and health safety of the food produced depends on the application of good beekeeping, environmental and veterinary practices related to conscientious prescribing of prescriptions and the use of veterinary medicinal products.